heated a pan. I've got mushrooms have got some great colour on and the moisture has come out. I'm going to set those aside. Then on a low heat, I'm going to melt some butter. I'm not going to give you exact quantities for this because if you want to make it for 6 people, just use a lot of leeks and a lot of mushrooms. This will be a sweet little crumble that I can have for a lunch. I've got 1 very fat leek, or you can use 2 smaller leeks, and I'm just going to put that in the butter. A little bit of salt. Ding ding. And let me hit. I soaked 6 shiitake mushrooms in some hot water and I'm going to add those in. You could use porcini or any dried mushrooms. It just gives it a little bit of extra hit. So I'm putting in the dried mushrooms. I'm going to put in the cooked mushrooms. Give it a stir. I've got a clove of garlic I'm going to add in there. Oh, bugger. You can have it chopped. You know I like to slice. I just realised I haven't put my contacts in. I'm wearing glasses. That's what you get for being a little bit hungover. I was out last night. Preheat your oven to 190 degrees. Just cook the garlic for a couple of minutes. Turn the heat to high. You could add white wine or vermouth. For those of you that have cooked with me for a while, you know that I love masala with mushrooms, so you might have some too. I'm just going to add a splash of that and let it bubble for a bit. While that's bubbling, I'm going to prepare a crumble topping. So I'm going to be making mine in a pan this size, so I need enough crumble to cover the top of that pan. So I'm going to use my stuffing mix. Yes. So it's seasoned, it's gorgeous. Just treat stuffing like you would breadcrumbs. Oh, do you want to know? So it's about 4 or 5 tablespoons. Again, what's it called? This is optional, but why not? I'm going to add a little bit, sort of 2 tablespoons of grated cheese in there. I've got a little bit of butter that I've melted. You could use olive oil. I'm just going to pour that over. Give that a nice gentle mix. Run it through your fingers so everything gets coated in that lovely butter or oil. I meant to say earlier, any offcuts from your leeks, keep that for your stock pot. That smells gorgeous. Next thing going in, you can use cream or creme fraiche. I just like creme fraiche because it's a bit lighter. I'm going to start with a generous tablespoon of creme fraiche. I might put a tiny bit more in. Yeah, I will. I'm going to add a bit more salt, plenty of black pepper, I was thinking in the autumn, or when they're available, you could put chestnuts. You could run chestnuts through this. Would be quite nice. I haven't got any chestnuts, so there we have it. That's the filling. I'm going to put the filling into a tin. Cover the top with the breadcrumbs and cheese. It's not breadcrumbs, is it? Cover the top with the stuffing mix and cheese. And this is going to go in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. This has had 20 minutes. It smells gorgeous. Yum. That is my leek and mushroom crumble using stuffing mix as a topping.